yes, despite the fact that it has the word soul in, a camisole is to be worn on the top half. Well, David, you took us off dancing in the house with house music last night, and I suspect you're going to keep up that rhythmic movement.
I am, keeping with the musical flavour. And over to Scandinavia tonight, Richard. We're going to look at 3 bands, all of which start and end with A, and all of which come from Scandinavia, and all of which actually have their own meanings within the dictionary. The first one is ABBA. That 4-piece from Sweden that made a lot of money during the 80s. And that is an acronym, in fact, for the 4 members. That's Agneta, Bjorn, Benny and Annifrid.
I'm a little disturbed that you actually know all the names of the members of ABBA. You don't go to any of those special theme parties from time to time.
No, I don't. But it's a very special word because it's not only an acronym, but it's a palindrome. So it's a palindromic acronym. And in Aramaic, which was the language that Jesus spoke, it's also the word for father and a word of respect. So it has quite an interesting story behind it. And now we're going to Norway to a group called AHA.
AHA. Now, that's also a palindrome, but not an acronym.
It's strange but true. Obviously, the Scandinavians love their palindromes. Now, AHA is listed in the dictionary, and it's that word or exclamation of discovery, very similar to the Greek idea of eureka, which is I have found. And I believe that, in fact, a crossword has the right measure of aha and ha-ha. Now, the last band is from Denmark, so 3 countries, and all groups start and end with A, and that is Aqua. And Aqua was a band that was popular in the 90s, again a 4-piece. They had Barbie Girl, you may remember, Richard.
Well, I was actually just thinking, I don't remember the band Aqua. Now I know why.
Now, aqua is pure Latin for water. It's where we get aquarium and Aquarius and aquamarine, which, if you break that down, is aqua marina, which is a blue-green colour, and it is the colour of the sea. So there you go, a little trip around the world, and I think we might stick with Sweden for tomorrow night's story.
Oh, I look forward to that. Very musical. Thank you, David.
Pleasure.
Let's look at those scores. Sam is on 10 and Alan, only 3 points ahead, is on 13. Let's have some more letters and Sam, your turn.
OK, let's start with consonant.
Thanks, Sam. T.
And another consonant.
R.
And then a vowel.
E.
And a consonant.
L.
And another vowel.
O.
And a consonant.
V.
And a vowel.
A.
And a consonant.
L.
And a vowel. Thank you.
And lastly, O.
30 seconds on the clock. How many, Sam?
6.
Alan?
Also a 6.
Let's begin with yours, please.
Looter.
And yours, Sam?
Same.
Looter? Would you just verify they've both run away with the spoils here, David?
But they're not pinching from each other, let's be clear. It's a good 6, well played, and overall is there for 7. And over tall, Richard, is not a word.
Oh, OK, I'll remember that. 6 each, Alan and Sam. Let's roll on with a few more letters now, and Alan.
Can I please have a consonant?
Thanks, Alan. D.
And a vowel, please, Lily.
E.
And another consonant.
T.
And another consonant.
S.
And a vowel, please.
U.
And another consonant.
C.
And another consonant.
R.
And a vowel, please.
A.
And I'll finish with a consonant, please.
And last letter, G.
Time starts now. How many for those letters, Alan?
A 7.
That sounds good. What about you, Sam?
Also 7.
Let's start there.
Crusted.
And yours, Alan?
Crusade.
Well, nice ones, David.
Both solid 7s. Well done. Tight game all of a sudden.
So what did you come up with here?
Well, I tried guest card, which would have been quite a surprising full Monty, particularly because it's not in the dictionary. However, there is traduces, Traduces for 8, and traduce is to slander. Comes from the Latin traducere, which is disgrace.
Very nice. And good scores for Alan and Sam, 7 each. Only 3 points between them as we head into our next numbers. Sam, what would you like?
I will go for the safe mix, the family mix.
Thanks,
2 large,
Sam.
4 small.
2 large and 4 small. And our numbers. 10, 8, 10, 2, and the 2 large, 50 and 25. The target to reach is 538.
Let's chase it. Well, Sam, you called it the safe mix. Was it the deliver mix?
Not quite. I'm one off, 537.
537, Alan?
540.
542 off, so bad luck. Sam's just that little bit closer. Tell us what you did, Sam.
50 by 10 is 500.
50 by 10 is 500.
Plus 25.
Add the 25.
Add the 10.
525. Add the 10.
Add the 10, yes.
And the 2
That's right.
is 537.
So, very nice indeed. You are only 1 away. Lily, I just know you can get us closer.
Yep, and at this point you're 13 away. So to make the 13, if you divide the 10 by 2, which is 5, add the 8, that's the 13. So add that all on, gives you 538.
Very nice. And I think I have a little variation on the theme
Be my guest.
from your teaching me a little tweakage.
Yes.
Can you go 50 plus 2
50 plus 2
times 10,
by 10 is 520.
add the other 10,
Add the 10 is 530.
and another 8?
Add the 8 is 538.
What a relief. Well done to Sam, 7 points. So Alan is on 26, Sam is on 30. We're heading for another break. You're heading for another word mix. It is coal tree. And the clue this time, find and send somewhere else. Back soon.